You might wonder how difficult it must have been for getting a solution. Despite all this, take a look at your phone. You will get a notification providing you a right solution at a finger click. And this is the problem today from Newton-Raphson's method. We have to find the real root of x plus log x minus 2 is equal to 0. So for that, what is given here? So f of x is given as x plus log x minus 2. This is base 10. So first of all, we have to give a certain values here. So if I put x is equal to 1 here, so this will be 1 plus log 1 minus 2. So this is the thing. And if I put x is equal to 2 here, if I give the value x as 2, then this will be the equation. And now we are going to calculate all the values. So the y values will be, so y is equal to f of x is equal to this one. So now if I calculate this one, so see the value here is 1 plus, this one is log x, 1 plus log 1 minus 2. The value is minus 1 here. I got the value as minus 1. The next one is 2 plus log 2. So this is 2 plus log 2. So this is 2 plus log 2 minus 2. The value here is, this is 0.301029. So 29, and the next value here is 3 plus, this is 3 plus log 3 minus 2, and the value here is 1.47711212, and this one is 4 plus, this one is log 4 minus 2. The value here is 2.602059. So we have to plot all these values here. So these are the x values, that is here it is 1, here it is 2, here it is 3, and here it is 4. And all the y values are here. So this is minus 1. So when x is equal to 1, see, when x is equal to 1, y value is minus 1. So this will be the point here. So this is the point here. And when x is equal to 2, it is 0.3. When x is equal to 2, when the x value is 2, the y point is some 0.3. So this is some 0.3. And the next, when x is equal to 3, it is 1 point, y value is 1.4. When x is equal to 3, so this value is, if it's 1 here, see, if it's 1 value here, 0 after, so this is 1.4. so if the value here is 2 and this value is 3, and see, if it's 1.4 here it is, so the value here is this value, and this is 1.4 like that, so this is 1.4 something, and this one is 2.6 at 4, so 2.6 will be here. See, this is some 2.6 and so on. So if I join all these values, so if I join all these values, then see it, the point of intersection is, so it will be around 1.8. So the point here is 1.8. So these values are the plotted values. So this is minus 1 here, and this is 0.3 here, so this is 0.3, this is 1.4, and this is 2.6. so after plotting we got x naught value as a 1.8. so this is 1.8. now we have f of x value as, so what is our f of x value? This is x plus log x minus 2. so f of x value is nothing but x plus log x minus 2. So what is the derivative of this? F dash of x is nothing but, for x this is 1 and log x it is 1 by x, and for constant this is 0. So in each and every case we have to keep x naught is equal to 1.8. So if I keep the value here, then see, each and every value will become, so f at x naught value, f at x naught value will become, this is 1.8 plus log 1.8 minus 2 value will be, and the next one is f dash of x naught. So f dash of x naught is nothing but 1 plus So 1 plus 1 by x is nothing but 1 plus 1 by 8, and this value will be, so this is f dash of x naught and this is f of x naught, and we got x naught value as 1.8. So let me calculate this value, that is 1.8 plus log 1.8, and this is minus 2. The value here is, see, 0 point, this is 0.05527250, and the next one here is 1.8 inverse plus 1. The value here is 1.555555 and so on. So all the values are ready here. So according to the Newton-Raphson method, we have a formula that xi plus 1 is equal to, this is xi minus f at xi by f dash at xi. So if I put I is equal to 0, if I keep I is equal to 0 in this equation, so what happens here? So this will be x1 is equal to x naught minus f at x naught by f dash at x naught. So all the values are ready here. So x1, what is x naught? So x naught is nothing but 1.8 minus f at x naught. F at x naught value is nothing but, this is 0.05527250, and f dash of x naught, f dash of x naught is nothing but 1 point, this is 1.55555 and so on. So what is our x1 value? So x1 value will be, this is 0.055, this is 2725 divided by 1.555 into minus 1 plus, what is our x naught value? This is 1.8. The value here is, so the x1 value is 1.76444676, and this is our x1 value. And after getting x1 value, so again we have to keep in f of x1. So f of x1 will be, this is x plus log x minus 2. So if I keep here f of x1 value in place of x1, this will be 1.76444676 minus, this is log of 1.76, this is 44676 minus 2. So f of x1 value will be like this, and f dash of x1 value will be, see here, 1 plus 1 by x1. So f dash of x1 value will be 1 plus 1 by, so what is x1 value? X1 value is 1.76444676. So I have to calculate all these values. So after getting these values, you see, so this value is nothing but 1.76444676 plus log of, this is 1.76444676, this is minus 2, and the value here is 0 point. So this value is nothing but 0.01101288, and the next value here is, this is 1.76444676 inverse plus 1. This value is 1.566743. This is a 743, this is 192. So after getting all these values, this is x1, this is f at x1, f dash at x1. So we have to go to calculate the value of x2. So for finding x2 value, so we need all these. So x2 value, if I keep I is equal to, so if I keep I is equal to 1, then x2 value will be x1 minus f at x1 by f dash at x1. So now if I substitute all the values here, x2 value will be, what is x1 value? So x1 value I'll show. So this value is x1, that is 1.76. So 1.76 4, that is a 676 minus f of x1. So f of x1 value is this, that is 0.0110, this is 81288 divided by f dash of x1. So this is the f dash of x1 value, this is 1.566743192. So again we need the value of x2. So after getting the value of x2, see, this is 0.01108128 divided by 1.56674, this is 3192 into minus 1 plus, so there is no minus 1 here, plus this value is 1.76 44676. The value here is 1.757394,783. And after getting this x2 value, so after getting this x2 value, again we have to go with f of x2. So what is our f of x2 value? So f of x2 value is nothing but this is x2 plus log x2 minus 2. We have to put up in the question. So this is f of x2 value will be, x2 value we have to write this one, 1.757394,783 plus log of this is a 7.7394,783 minus 2. And this is f of x2 value will be like this, and f dash of x2 value will be 1 plus 1 by x2. So f dash of x2 value will be 1 plus 1 by 1.757394,783. So this will be f dash of x2. So we have to calculate all these values. So for that, see, this is 1.7573, this is 94783 plus log of 1.7573 94783 minus 2. This value is nothing but, see here, this value is nothing but 0.00264115821. And the next value here is, see here, 1.7573 94783 inverse plus 1. So the value is 1.569024,109. So after getting x2 value, f of x2 and f of x3, if I keep I is equal to 2, so our x3 value will be x2 minus f at x2 by f dash at x2. So our x3 value will be, so x3 value is, what is x2 value? This is 1.757394,783 minus f at x2 value is nothing but this is 0.00264115821 by, so this value is 1.5690, this is 4109. So our x3 value will be, see here, this is 0.00264115821 divided by 1.569024,109 into minus 1 plus this value is 1.7573 94783. So the value here is, see, this is 1.755951,774. and if you observe this one, if you observe in this case, the previous x 1.75 and here also there is, this is 1.75 and 1.75 is common, therefore the real root is given as, therefore the real root we can conclude as, the real root is 1.755. So our x value is 1.755. This is how we have to solve, and this is also very easy. First of all, we have to take this. So don't forget, we have to take 1.8 as x0. So for that we have to take certain values and we have to plot, and this point is x0 value is 1.8, and after taking the initial value as 1.8, we have to keep on giving the I values as 1, 2 and 3, so that we'll get the similar values, and so that we can stop, and x is equal to 1.755 is the final answer, the real root for the given equation. And that is all I have to say you today. I hope I haven't missed out anything, and let me know in the comments if I have missed anything, and share this video with somebody whom you cares the most, and I'll be back more often. Thank you so much. Meanwhile, subscribe to this channel, share it with your friends, and take time to raise your thumb if you really like.